After upskilling and placing more than 5,000 students in the digital marketing industry, when I talk to recruiters, I've learned it's no more about a skill gap, but it's about a strategy gap. And that's why IIDE has transformed its PG program to a post-graduation in digital marketing and strategy.
At IIDE, we believe in experiential learning. This means you don't just learn from marketing leaders inside the classroom, but you also learn to tackle real-world problems, visit some of the top agencies, and have access to 26,000 award-winning case studies from all across the globe.
At IIDE, learning goes beyond the classrooms. With a diverse set of communities to be a part of and the plethora of cultural events, you're going to boost your confidence and enrich your personality.
We have completely re-engineered our process by integrating AI to the pitch. With a dedicated career coach and AI-powered mock interviews, we ensure you are fully prepared for the real world from day one of the program.
Our program is for high achievers who are ready to push boundaries. We take the top 1% of marketing aspirants, providing them with opportunities to learn from the top 1% of marketing leaders.
With this level of academic, cultural, and professional training, we're not only grooming you to become a strategist, but also laying the foundation for a long-lasting, successful career in digital marketing. So if you're ready to start your journey, click on the link in bio.